Greetings from another fantastic beach location here in Nyköping in the Sörmland region. Yes, I'm here visiting for a few days this fantastic region over the midsummer holiday. And today we are at Nävekvarn, actually on a separate island that rides next to the Nävekvarn camping and the Nävekvarn port. And this is basically located 24 kilometers away from the central Nyköping. And for me, it took me around 18 kilometers by bicycle to reach here from the place where I'm staying. A wonderful Swedish family that I'm going to celebrate midsummer with. And yes, tomorrow is midsummer, the biggest Swedish holiday and the most beautiful one because the day is so long and the weather is usually nice. And we're gonna have fantastic weather this year. Right now, it's 24 degrees Celsius. And we have a feels like temperature of only 19 degrees, and that's because of the wind that you can hear and feel. But that's nice because you don't feel that much warm as such. And yes, today is 22nd of June, wonderful Thursday. So I just love these kind of rocky beaches. It's so fantastic. I don't know, it gives like end of the world vibes. And especially these stairs here are so beautiful. And it's actually not my first time here. I have been here several times before, but it's the first time I'm filming this on my YouTube channel. And yes, I got a bit tired from all the beaches in Stockholm region. So I said, let's explore also the wonderful beaches in another region, Stockholm, in Sweden. Because Sweden, it's out on the coast, basically on the Baltic Sea on this side, and then towards the North Sea and on the west coast. And of course there are many beautiful lakes inside, of course. So let's test out this beautiful stairway to heaven. All right, let's prepare to dive in and take a swim here. And the wind is crazy here, so I hope you can hear me as I speak. Isn't this amazing? I mean, from the beautiful rocks, we have stairway to heaven. And by heaven, I mean the Baltic Sea. Oh, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. All right. Yes. We are slowly going in. And here I know that there is a rock, because I have obviously been here before. And we are ready for today's dive. And beach day number 59. Yep. What a coincidence that we're gonna have beach day 60 tomorrow on the Midsummer Reef. But for now, let's enjoy this wonderful day here, 22nd of June. Are we ready? Let's dive in! Oh my god, this is brilliant. The waves are in, the seawater is amazing, sun is up. I just can't ask for anything more. It's brilliant. It's absolutely fantastic. Oh. There is basically no one here right now. There were two people actually that just came in, but otherwise it's pretty much empty. So it's beautiful. Oh my god, this is amazing. What a wonderful time to be alive. I'm really enjoying the swim in the Baltic Sea. There's something special about the sea. that you can't find in the lakes, even though I enjoy swimming in all water surfaces. But while in Sweden, I prefer the Baltic Sea, of course, especially during high summer season when the water is warm. So June to August, Baltic Sea is my way to go. And I usually spend 4 times on the lake, from April to May, and then September to November. But yeah, enjoy this view here from Nävekvarn, a wonderful beach here in Sörmland. Amazing. Yep, thanks a lot for following my beach adventures, and that we finally changed the region, and I'm finally showing you another part of Sweden and the fantastic beaches here in Nyköping in the Sörmland region. So tune in for some more beaches from this wonderful region in the upcoming days. And yes, tomorrow it's Midsummer Eve, so we're gonna enjoy on yet another fantastic beach location here. Thanks for watching, and bye!